Good afternoon, please be seated. The clerk will place us on the record, please. You're on the record at 2 p.m. Today is Friday, February 16th, 2024. This is an emergency Elko Justice Court case number JCF 24-458, State of Nevada versus Casey Quigley. Mr. Quigley is present for this time. Here in custody of the County Sheriff's Office, represented by Mr. Fritz, who is also present for this time. And present for this day is Mr. Barainca. The time is set for the preliminary hearing. And Mr. Before proceeding, we receive a request for electronic coverage of court proceedings. I did approve that request. That request was provided to both the attorneys today prior to going on the record. Any opposition to having the recorder in court today?
No, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. I don't want to jump to conclusions, but I see a document in front of me here. It doesn't look like we're having a prelim, Mr. Fritz.
That's correct. I've had a chance to speak with the DA a couple times already this morning. Looks like we've come to a resolution. It does incorporate the case you had before you right now, Your Honor, as well as the case that you had before you this morning as well. But in my case, if you will, the case you had before you here to apply, there is going to be a waiver of preliminary hearing in district court. My client's going to plead no contest, one count of robbery, a category B felony, as well as one count of grand larceny of a firearm, a category B felony. The party's going to be free to argue at the time of sentencing. Maybe the state can bring you up to date a little bit better than I can on the case this morning. It's my understanding the case is going to eventually be dismissed pursuant to negotiations, but the issue of restitution in that case may be incorporated in this case as part of a negotiation and in order at the time of sentencing of the case. So we got to work this afternoon.
Understood. Thank you, Mr. Fritz. Mr. Frank?
That's correct, Your Honor. And a couple of things. One, Mr. Fick and I did speak with Ms. Revere regarding that, and we'll get, I'm assuming we'll get rolling on that, and I'll also be in touch with Mr. Fritz about including in our plea agreement upstairs. Second thing, the one thing I did want to put on the record here, that'll go on the record both here and in the district court, is that both victims were on board with this resolution. So I just spoke with Mr. Vanessevich just now, and then Dalton Hill, I spoke on the phone this morning. He's out of town, or actually not this morning, about 10 minutes ago, and he is out of the state. So they're both in agreement to this deal.
Understood. Thank you. Appreciate that, sir. Mr. Quigley, I do have a document in front of me that the preliminary hearing on the advice of counsel indicates plea agreement to be filed in the district court, sir. This document has a series of initials on the left-hand side. The initials appear to be CQ. Are these your initials, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you have an opportunity to go over this document with your attorney prior to court today and have any questions answered, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
This document covers the rights that you would be giving up by waiving the right to a preliminary hearing. Do you understand the rights that you would be giving up by giving up your right to a preliminary hearing, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anyone made any threats or promises to you today to have you waive your right to a preliminary hearing other than what's been placed on the record here today?
No, Your Honor.
And based on the review of the waiver of preliminary hearing and the advice of counsel, as well as McCandless and Mr. Quigley in open court here today, I believe he has waived his right to a preliminary hearing knowingly, intelligently, and voluntarily. This case will therefore be brought up to the court just court. We have to answer those charges as referenced in the criminal complaint on file at this time. Did you have any questions, comments, or concerns at this time, sir?
No, Your Honor.
I will file the waiver in open court at this time. Does either party wish a copy?
No, Your Honor. That's fine. I'm ready with Mr. Ford.
Mr. Fritz, anything further, sir?
Not on this matter, Your Honor. Thank you.
Mr. Rankin?
No, Your Honor.
And Mr. Quigley, you'll be remanded back into custody of County Sheriff pending the posting of the bill, which is presently set at $200,000, and will be off the record at 2:04 p.m.